guys, today I'm going to be showing you all how to make a cappuccino and an espresso. Thanks for tuning in to another video. Today I'm going to show you all how to make a cappuccino, which is espresso and it's just milk foam. So instead of a latte where it's made with thick frothy milk, cappuccino is a little bit stronger because it just contains the milk foam, so you taste more of the espresso taste. I love a cappuccino for when I want to wake up and get things done in the morning and when I want a stronger espresso taste. I usually opt for the latte when I want more of the milky, smooth taste, but some days, especially as we enter into the spring and winter time, I love a good cappuccino. So I figured it'd be a great time for me to make that for you all. And I ordered some hazelnut syrup the other day, so I'm gonna make a hazelnut cappuccino. If you want, you can just make this recipe with just milk and espresso. Or if you have another syrup you wanna add, you can follow the same recipe and just use that syrup. So we can go ahead and get started. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna take my hazelnut syrup here and I'm going to measure out 2 tablespoons and put that in the cup. I found that mixing the syrup with the espresso made some of the flavor come out a little bit better than adding it in with the milk. Okay, so next I take my espresso pod and I'm just using the Starbucks espresso roast pod. And this is just 1 shot. I like my cappuccinos a little bit stronger, so today I'm gonna be making it with 2 shots. And I'm gonna take it here, put it in an espresso, and then go ahead and start that up. And then while that's pouring, I'm gonna take my oat milk here, give it a good shake. And then here, I'm going to pour it up to the second line in the milk frother here. And then here I'm gonna go ahead and press the button for it to froth hot milk. I'm gonna let this finish frothing and then I'm gonna let this shot pour and then I'm gonna put 1 more shot and then I'll come back when it's time to mix everything up. Okay, so the milk is finished frothing and then my second shot poured. So I'm gonna take my cup here and while I kind of let the milk cool just a little bit, I'm gonna take my handheld frother and I'm just gonna put it in here so I can mix together the coffee with the syrup pretty good. Okay. I always like to do that just to dry off the frother. And then here I'm gonna let the milk cool a little bit more and then I'll come back to separate the foam from the milk and I'll put it into the cup. Okay, so now that the milk is cooled down just a little bit, I'm gonna take my spoon and I'm going to just spoon the foam and put it, let me move my cup a little bit closer. If anyone has a better way of doing this, please let me know in the comments. This is my first time ever making a cappuccino. It looks like it's pretty good though. And I'm just gonna keep scooping the foam until I get to the frothy milk. Okay. And then what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna put it in here to make it a little bit more frothy and foamy. Okay, I'm gonna try to get 1 more scoop of foam and then we'll give it a stir. Actually, looks like I can get a few more scoops. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and give it a stir. That looks really, really good. So there you have an oat milk hazelnut cappuccino. Thanks for tuning in to another video. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram. Thanks for tuning in and see y'all next time.